are lots of problems going on in our society. Starting from smallest things, acidity, acid reflux, to high blood pressure, high cholesterol, vitamin D3 deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency, and then diabetes. Now, I want to interact with you. I'm not going to give you any knowledge free because I want interaction, I want question answers. So one mic is we have, okay, great. So first thing first, people who have acidity problem or any other small muscle ache, joint pain, please let me know so that we can discuss step by step. Yes, yes sir, start from here only. Mic is on.
Acidity and as you can see, I have a rotator cuff injury.
Rotator cuff injury is separate. Acidity is very important right now. First thing first. अब mic पकड़ कर रखिए. Now, acidity में हम क्या करते हैं सबसे पहले? Doctors क्या बोलते हैं? Antacid. Super. Eno and everything, right? Now, antacid means to reduce acids. Antacid, right? And acidity means you're thinking if we have enough acids in the stomach. Totally wrong. Today it's a eye-opener information I'm giving you. I'm sure this information is very difficult to get it. It takes time. So which is I'm going to give you now. If you can write down a lot of information in this article, but if you write down pointers, it will help you. Now, acidity means you have low stomach acids, not too much stomach acids. First thing first, low stomach acids and not too much stomach acids. So, what you can do? You can't digest meat. If you don't have stomach acid, you cannot digest meat. You cannot absorb nutrients from the food. Very, very important factor. And with age, tremendously speedy way, the stomach acids goes down. With age, after 40 especially. I'm 43 and 44 is running, so I know. I can feel it when I was in 30 and now I'm in 43 age. So what is the difference? Even for me, I feel with certain foods is difficult to digest. For example, for me, broccoli is very difficult to digest.
What?
Broccoli. Yeah, broccoli is very difficult to digest for me. Beans, red beans is very difficult. But lentils I can digest. I can digest Brussels sprouts. I can digest kale. I can digest spinach. But even healthiest foods sometimes give you reaction, inflammation. We don't know that. That you have to see. That's why the question was there. Some lady was there. There are different diet programs. Vegan diet, low carbohydrate, high protein diet, all crap. There is no diet fixed for a particular person. Remember that. My diet is different from your diet. Your diet is different from her diet. And her diet is different from her diet. Because you cannot digest everything. I cannot digest everything. You cannot digest everything. So how the diet can be standard? Low fat diet, high protein diet. It is good. No, you can't judge the diet. It goes through experience. How many years, how many months, how many weeks, what kind of food you're eating, what was the reaction? There was a bloating. After eating that meat, there was a gas, there was a belching. What was that? The reaction of that food, particular food. We have to understand that before we get into diabetes section. Diabetes is not a disease, that we'll discuss later. But first thing first, where the digestion starts, acidity starts. So we have low stomach acids, remember that acidity. So what can be done to correct that? Instantly, without any medication. Because once you start antacids, what will happen? Side effects. You will get only relief for certain minutes. You'll get relief for certain time period. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, maybe some minutes. But after that again come back. Then what can be done? Anybody has answer? What can be done for that? Yes, ma'am. Super! Very nice. Yes, ma'am. Exactly. Now, there is a style to take that kind of, जैसे इन्होंने बताया, नींबू juice दे सकते हैं. When to take that lime juice. And not only lime juice, you have to add certain things which people don't know. Write down please, apple cider vinegar, Bragg's company. That is one of the best vinegar right now in this time. So apple cider vinegar ke 1 teaspoon, half lime and sea salt, little bit. If you can add it half an hour before meal, half an hour or 40 minutes before meal, if you drink it, and then you'll see the digestion and your acid. Half a lime. Bragg's. Bragg's. B-R-A-G-G-S. Bragg's company. B-R-A-G-G-S. Bragg's. Apple cider vinegar. Very, very important to cure acidity. And you have to take before every meal. 40 minutes before every meal.
How much?
1 teaspoon apple cider, half lime, a pinch of sea salt, not the local salt what we take. Pinch of sea salt. Everybody knows now sea salt, what is the benefit of that, how many minerals it contains, and how many minerals contains our local salt, right? It's very important.
You want to write?
Everybody got it? That is acidity. Now, for example, if we miss that thing, by hook and crook, you're in some party or something, how you do that and how you cure that stuff, because in parties, in shadis, there's a lot of heavy food, oily food. So how, if you miss that thing before the meal, you can't, sometimes it skips, then what you can do instantly? Instantly, when you finish the meal or in the meal, concentrated lime, full flesh, just little water, drink it. That will also help. For some help you will get. To cure acidity, you can go before the hay, just in case if you're traveling or in marriage or something, you miss that thing. In the meal, instantly, you can just juice it, lime on the food, or agar wo bhi bhul gaye. So after food, you drink, concentrate.